तो अभी हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ी है, उनको ये कैसे बताया जाए कि हाउ टू कीप अ मेंटर और मेंटर की ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज क्या हैं?
At college level, sir, now it is also mandatory for us to have mentors. And we also have mentors at a higher level. For example, the senior teachers mentoring the junior teachers. Many times they don't open up to everybody and they open up to their mentors. We have a one-on-one ratio where they meet them very frequently.
Absolutely. जहाँ लोग हैं वहाँ ओपिनियन है, और अगर ओपिनियन है तो क्लैशेस हैं. And when you find yourself in such situation, right, without compromising on your values, how do you take care of such situations?
Not forgetting your basic purpose. So when you stick to your basic purpose and then you align the other things, I think people understand.
25 plus years of experience, मैम. कभी आया नहीं माइंड में कि यार छोड़ देती हूँ इंडस्ट्री?
When we came in education field, हमको PhD मैंडेटरी हो गया, तो फिर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन किया, फिर PhD किया 5 साल. तो we kept upgrading ourselves, but in between जो phases आती है उसमें पक्का ही लगता है कि अभी कौन ही पढ़ेगा फिर से. तो तब तो लगता है कि बस छोड़ दो, अभी दूसरा फील्ड ले लेते.
स्ट्रेस, प्रेशर, इसके बारे में तो कोई बात ही नहीं करता. एजुकेशन को सिखाना है या ये इंडस्ट्री को सिखाना है? हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री आपको सिर्फ जॉब नहीं देती, ये आपको तोड़ती भी है और फिर आपको एक बेहतरीन इंसान बनाकर खड़ा करती है. और शायद इसीलिए कहा जाता है हॉस्पिटैलिटी इज़ नॉट अबाउट सर्विंग पीपल, इट्स अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग पीपल. लेकिन सवाल ये है, क्या आज के स्टूडेंट्स उस रियलिटी के लिए तैयार हैं या हम उन्हें सिर्फ एक परफेक्ट पिक्चर दिखा रहे हैं? आज के इस एपिसोड में हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे लीडर से जिन्होंने हॉस्पिटैलिटी एजुकेशन को सिर्फ पढ़ाया ही नहीं बल्कि उसे जिया भी है. हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर रसिका गुमस्ते, प्रिंसिपल एट सूर्य दत्ता कॉलेज ऑफ हॉस्पिटैलिटी मैनेजमेंट, ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म, पुणे. उनके पास 25 प्लस ईयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है हॉस्पिटैलिटी प्रोफेशनल्स को पढ़ाने का और शेप करने का. इस वीडियो में आप जानेंगे हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री के रियल चैलेंजेस क्या हैं, स्टूडेंट कहां गलती करते हैं और कैसे अवॉइड करें, और एक स्ट्रॉन्ग करियर बनाने के लिए क्या माइंडसेट चाहिए. और बिलीव कीजिए, इस कन्वर्सेशन में कुछ ऐसे इंसाइट आने वाले हैं जो शायद आपको किसी क्लासरूम में भी नहीं मिलेंगे. तो अगर आप हॉस्पिटैलिटी स्टूडेंट हैं, प्रोफेशनल हैं या लीडर हैं, यह एपिसोड आपके लिए है. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट में बताएं आपकी बिगेस्ट चैलेंजेस क्या है हॉस्पिटैलिटी में, और इस वीडियो के बाद नेक्स्ट एपिसोड भी ज़रूर देखें. लेट्स लिसन, लर्न एंड लीड together. Hello ma'am, welcome to Hospitalk.
Hello.
The very first one, हॉस्पिटैलिटी को आपने चूज किया या हॉस्पिटैलिटी ने आपको चूज किया?
मैंने हॉस्पिटैलिटी को चूज़ किया. I actually wanted to take up health sciences, wherein I chose to take up hospitality. I wanted to be a dentist, could not get through. So the second choice was something which was related to food, so I took up hotel management as a choice. That was my choice.
और अभी तक करियर जर्नी कैसी रही है मैम?
Career journey तो fantastic रही sir. I had set some goals which I could achieve. हमारे इसमें हाईएस्ट PhD होता है, देन बीइंग हेड ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट. आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ इट इज़ वर्कड आउट वेल सो फार.
आई डोंट थिंक सो कि यू और वी बीइंग एज द हॉस्पिटैलिटी प्रोफेशनल, किसी की भी जर्नी आसान डेफिनेटली नहीं रही है. रिजेक्शंस वर देयर, राइट? सो हाउ डिड यू टैकल देम? आपने उनको कैसे हैंडल किया?
Per se, I wouldn't say they were rejections, but certain disappointments, I would say, rather than using a word as rejection. Sometimes you aspire to take up certain jobs and then you may not get them. I think it is part of the process, part of life, and I think you should just review those things, learn from them, and just go ahead.
और अगर आप आज पीछे मुड़कर देखते हैं, राइट, ऐसी एक गलती जो अभी तक मतलब जो वो आपने भी की और यू सी कि आप अपनी तरफ से तो ट्राई करते हो, आई मीन सिंस यू बीइंग द प्रिंसिपल हियर, बट फिर भी बच्चे कहीं ना कहीं वो मिस्टेक अभी भी कमिट कर ही रहे हैं?
Most of the times we see that people take up hotel management, but they don't stick around in the industry.
क्या?
Their interests fade away very quickly. Usually after internships, many a times when they realize that they cannot take up the hardships, they cannot sustain for such long hours, they make up their mind very fast and decide not to join.
जी.
Which is something I think is, I keep telling them it's too early. You have to be there for 3 years and you will see the growth.
Okay.
But these decisions are very frequent, and there are very few students who actually continue in the hospitality industry after doing hotel management.
बट मैम इसको रोका कैसे जाएगा फिर? हाउ टू स्टॉप इट?
If you give them that dignity of labor, that kind of a value and respect to the profession and to the person, it might change the scenario. Apart from, of course, good salaries and other best practices which we can have in the organization, I think this will make a big difference.
ऑल्सो क्या आपको क्या लगता है कि बच्चों के साथ साथ क्या हमें पेरेंट्स को भी कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा समझाना पड़ेगा कि दिस इज़ हाउ आर इंडस्ट्री वर्क, इसमें इनिशियल 5 ईयर ये होगा, अगले 2 से 3 साल ये होगा, एंड देन सो ऑन? आई मीन क्या हमें
Yes.
उनको कहीं ना कहीं
So we
हायरार्की
usually-
टीच करने की ज़रूरत है?
Yes, so we usually have these meetings with the parents, initially as a orientation where we tell them how does the whole thing works.
जी.
Then when we send them to internships, we have, before we put them for placements, we usually have this. And we explain them what is the career path, how does the children grow,
जी.
what interests them, what could be the other certifications which will add value
जी.
for them. So to some extent the parents understand, but finally it is the candidate who has to understand.
डन मैम. मूव टुवर्ड्स माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लाइफ में ना बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स ऐसे आते हैं जहाँ पे आपकी करियर की जो ट्रेजेक्टरी है वो बदल जाती है, डायरेक्शन कंप्लीटली बदल जाती है. टेल अस अबाउट दोज डिसीजंस.
Directly to I will not say, but I changed my field from being in the industry to academics. सर मेरी शादी
जी.
हुई तो I had to come to Pune. तो शादी हो गई, पुणे में आई तो obviously जॉब पुणे में लेना था.
जी.
So in 1996 when I came, यहाँ पे एक ही लव मेरिडियन करके जस्ट शुरू हुआ था.
जी.
ज़्यादा कुछ, there were not many 5-star hotels then. So I also realized that I like to train people, I do good mentoring. तो eventually shift हो गए
जी.
education field में. Started connecting with students very well.
जी.
I started getting a lot of satisfaction out of teaching, and I decided to take up teaching. So that was one major decision, though related but a totally different area.
25 प्लस ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस मैम, है ना? कभी आया नहीं माइंड में कि यार छोड़ देती हूँ इंडस्ट्री, या फ्रस्ट्रेट होके नहीं भी फ्रस्ट्रेट है तब भी कि कुछ और कर लेते हैं?
आज today's even the education field is quite demanding. जैसे पहले हम सोचते थे कि बस जाता है बंदा, एक लेक्चर दे देता है, ख़त्म हो जाता है. वैसे नहीं है. There are a lot of accreditations which we have to do, a lot of audits which we have to do. You have to constantly upgrade yourself. तो हम लोग डिप्लोमा होल्डर्स थे, साइड बाय साइड ग्रेजुएशन किया था. तो व्हेन वी केम इन एजुकेशन फील्ड हमको पीएचडी मैंडेटरी हो गया. तो फिर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशंस किया, फिर पीएचडी किया 5 साल. तो वी केप्ट अपग्रेडिंग आवरसेल्व्स. बट इन बिटवीन जो फेजेस आती है उसमें पक्का ही लगता है कि अभी कौन ही पढ़ेगा फिर से. तो तब तो लगता है कि बस छोड़ दो, अभी दूसरा फील्ड ले लेते, ये तो हमसे नहीं होगा अभी.
जी.
बट देन यू हैव मेंटर्स अराउंड, यू हैव कलीग्स अराउंड, तो वो भी कर लेते, उनके साथ हम भी कर लेते कि नहीं चलो करना है. द बेसिक थिंग इज आई लाइक टू टीच.
जी.
एंड आई ऑलवेज लाइक टीचिंग, एंड दैट इज हाउ आई स्टक अराउंड इन द इंडस्ट्री फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. उसके साथ जो करना पड़ा, आई टुक अप ऑल दोज क्वालिफिकेशंस एंड सर्टिफिकेशंस एंड ऑल दैट.
you know mention the word mentor. हमारी इंडस्ट्री में उसकी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है.
Yes.
तो जो अभी हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ी है उनको ये कैसे बताया जाए कि हाउ टू कीप अ मेंटर, और मेंटर की ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज क्या हैं? टेल अस अबाउट दैट.
At college level, sir, now it is also mandatory for us to have mentors. Okay. the UGC regulation tells us to have mentors. So
जी.
we usually have the ratio of 1:20. We have a class teacher or any of the teachers who will mentor those 20 students. Then we also have mentors at a higher level. For example, the senior teachers mentoring the junior teachers.
Okay.
तो वो भी एक होता है where they will because if you have good amount of strength, they may not be communicating with the principal on day on basis. So many times they have certain difficulties. Many a times teaching could be a problem, delivering lectures in a particular way. So all these small little things are also taken care. So we also have mentors, senior teachers as mentors for the junior teachers. So I think it immensely helps them when looking at it. Many times they don't open up to everybody and they open up to their mentors. They have a one-on-one ratio where they meet them very
Yes,
frequently.
absolutely.
I think it overall they help you in showing the direction. Many times they give a very constructive feedback
Yes.
and kind of take care of the particular candidate or the faculty, and which helps in sustaining people in the organization.
Absolutely. Plus, ma'am, I personally feel कि इंडस्ट्री में ये मैंडेट बना देना चाहिए. What happen is due to off or odd working hours, younger है, youth है, अभी उनको पता ही नहीं है. Of
Correct.
course, salaries are quite marginal, to be honest, at least at the initial age, right? So उस एज में confused घूमना तो मतलब it's जायज, to be honest, है ना.
Correct.
बट अगर यही चलता रहा और कोई उनको मेंटर नहीं करेगा, कोई उनको सही ढंग से बताएगा नहीं, विल कीप लूजिंग द राइट पीपल.
Correct.
आई थिंक ऑलरेडी शॉर्टेज है. वी सी अ लॉट ऑफ ऑन लिंक्डइन. अगर मैं आज भी जाता हूँ, ओपनिंग्स तो बहुत हैं,
बहुत है.
बट देन एक हफ्ते बाद भी वही सेम पोस्ट डलती है. दैट मीन्स एक हफ्ता हो गया, राइट? और एक F&B वेटर की पोजीशन या हाउसकीपिंग एसोसिएट की पोजीशन
Correct.
क्लोज नहीं हो पा रही है. दैट शोज की इंडस्ट्री में अब टैलेंट की कमी होनी शुरू हो गई है.
हो गई.
समबडी नीड्स टू टॉट दीज बियॉन्ड लेक्चर. 3 साल तो आपने ग्रूम कर लिया, बट अब टुवर्ड्स देयर प्रोफेशनल जर्नी समबडी विद इन द प्रॉपर्टी जहाँ पे भी कोई काम कर रहा है, दे नीड टू टेक अ बिट ऑफ एन अकाउंटेबिलिटी की अब जैसे मैंने रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजर्स को तो देखा है, वो लड़के के कंधे के ऊपर हाथ रखकर बोल देते हैं, कोई नहीं बेटा, चलता है, तू चीता है मेरा, मैं चला दूंगा काम, इट्स ओके, they understand. But if it comes to the other department, I think that needs to be done, if not at least once a month, to know that what their mental state is.
Correct.
है ना. नहीं तो यूजुअली अभी क्या होता है, आज मेरी सैलरी 10,000 है, 6 महीने बाद मुझे कोई 11,000 दे रहा है, I'll go there. And then it will hit his CV.
True.
है ना. और ऑफ कोर्स बैड एग्जांपल्स ऑलरेडी सेट होने शुरू हो गए हैं इंडस्ट्री में. बट एनीवेज, ये तो बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है. आई विल कम बैक टू द पॉडकास्ट. 25 साल का मैसिव एक्सपीरियंस, कोई एक ऐसी सबसे बड़ी सीख जो स्टिल वर्किंग इन योर फेवर?
As a leader, if you look at that, I think apart from when we look at education, we usually try to bridge the gap between what the industry wants and what the students deliver, or how do we groom them. That is one thing which we keep insisting on all the time. I think how you treat people along the way also will have a very big impact in the leadership. Okay, that is something which you have to always remember, that your human resource is your most important resource. Your teamwork, the way you deal with them, see to it that they also grow with you. That is, I think, very, very important.
As you mentioned earlier, ma'am, है ना, कि academics की जितनी भी जॉब है, it's very competitive, काफ़ी प्रेशर रहता है. तो इन चीज़ों से सबसे उबरने के लिए हम हाउ टू बिकम आई वुड रादर से एक इफेक्टिव लीडर बने रहने के लिए व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्शंस आर रिक्वायर्ड? क्या क्या करना चाहिए?
आई वुड से बीइंग अ लीडर, देन पेशेंट लिसनिंग टू योर स्टाफ. I think empowering your staff, then making them part of the decision making, would definitely help,
जी.
in sustaining them. Mentoring, like we said, of course, will help at various levels, show them the right path, encourage them to take up higher education, and getting them to the purpose. I think you need to just keep reminding them about what is their basic goal and purpose, and reassess the whole process.
जी.
So once you come back to your purpose and goals, I think you start adjusting the other things.
Done. Being a principal is definitely, it is not an easy job or easy task, है ना. तो जो आपके challenges हैं, how do you tackle them? How do you overcome?
So presently तो major challenges होते हैं कि there are a lot of certifications which we need to do. There are a lot of accreditations which we need to do. So apart from teaching, there's a lot of focus on the admin part. Now, to motivate the teachers to also take up administrative duties is one challenge which I think most of the colleges have to deal with. I mean, if we teach 50% of time, we also do 50% of time our admin jobs or many events. And if it is related events, of course, people are interested. But if they're not related events, then keeping them motivated, making them work could be one of the challenges that we face. Another challenge which we usually face as a college today or in education is to keep the interest of the students, and for which you need to always upgrade your staff. See to it that you have guest lecturers, demonstration workshops, invite the industry people so that the interest of the students are held back, and they learn the latest trends. So that is another challenge, and to keep up the students' interest, I think upgradation is the only way out. The teachers need to really change the methodology, the way they deliver lectures in the classes.
Yes.
It may not be only classroom sessions, but it could be a varied sessions. You have quizzes, or you have flip classrooms which we use, or you have some games being involved, AI, involvement of AI. All these things, when you have a mixture of all of it, I think it will interest the students. So that is one big challenge which we face today, keeping their interest in the class.
जी मैम. यूजुअली देखा गया मैम, जहाँ लोग हैं वहाँ ओपिनियन है, और अगर ओपिनियन है तो क्लैशेस हैं.
Correct.
Right. So when you find yourself in such situation, right, without compromising on your values, how do you take care of such situations?
So thoda internal challenges, frictions are, I think, part of the process which you have to accept, because everybody has their own opinion. They want to prove it, or sometimes they feel it is better than somebody else's opinion. In such cases, I think listening to them first, and not having a biased view, and try to
Most
be fair.
Most important, to be honest.
And try to be fair to people, being ethical and fair, and not forgetting your basic purpose. So when you stick to your basic purpose and then you align the other things, I think people understand.
And मैम, what if आपको एक सुपर पावर मिले, राइट, कि इंडस्ट्री में से एक चीज गायब कर दो या हटा दो, तो वो क्या होगी, या कौन सी चीज एक ऐसी है जिसको आप बदलना चाहोगे?
I think work-life balance is something which I would really like to, even though there is a lot of work which is going on today.
Yes.
Flexi timings are gaye, 6 days off, 8 days off, all these things have come. There are many best practices, good HR practices which have come in the industry. Still, I think work-life balance is something which we need to really, really look at. The well-being of people has to be put up first.
Stress, pressure, इसके बारे में तो कोई बात ही नहीं करता, राइट? ये कैसे सिखाया जाए बच्चों को कि ये चीज़ें इट्स अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ, और अगर हो भी रही हैं, whom to reach out, when to reach out, what's the solution? ये किस पार्ट, मतलब एजुकेशन को सिखाना है या ये इंडस्ट्री को सिखाना है, ये वाला पार्ट?
Managing stress, or per se in the classroom, the only stress which they have probably is exams. Appearing for exam. But real life challenges they learn only when they go for internships. So they really have to deal with people, They have to learn how to do time management. They have to try to resolve the guest problems. So I think internship or on-the-job training is something which is required, which will teach them how to deal with such situations. Okay,
जी.
They will have to face these real situations. Like we call it as moment of truth.
जी.
तो वो जब तक नहीं करेंगे तो वो तो सीख नहीं पाएंगे. That is not part of the
Agreed.
classroom training. That is part of the on-the-job training. So which they will learn only there.
जो इंडस्ट्री का गैप है ना बिटवीन एजुकेशन एंड रियल एक्सपीरियंस, ये आज से नहीं है, बहुत पुराना है. हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट? इसको खत्म कैसे कर सकते हैं मैम?
सर खत्म तो नहीं कर सकते, बट वी कैन डेफिनेटली रिड्यूस द गैप. व्हाई? बिकॉज द ट्रेंड्स कीप चेंजिंग, and to catch up with the trends for the educational field may not always be possible. That's the reason we send them for internships, where they go on the job and they see the real situations, handle equipments, handle people, and learn from it.
जी.
So definitely we will try to bridge the gap, but I would not say there will be no gap at all.
डन. एंड यूजुअली ना स्टूडेंट्स के, हर एक स्टूडेंट के अपने अपने मिथ होते हैं, राइट? तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू ऐसे कौन से मिथ्स हैं जो उनको घर पर ही छोड़ के आने चाहिए जब वो हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में एंटर कर रहे हैं और दे गॉट एनरोल्ड इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी एजुकेशन?
It looks very glamorous. The industry looks very glamorous, but I think they need to also understand that there's a lot of hard work which goes into it.
Yes.
Discipline, consistency, sticking around in a particular department. These are the things they will have to learn, and right attitude. Also, they need to understand that their foundation has to be very, very firm. So knowledge, skills and attitude, the right ratio of all these three will definitely help them.
एंड मैम आपका क्या मानना है कि फ्यूचर में कौन सा लीडर जो है वो सक्सेसफुल होगा? लाइक टेक जिसके पास ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन है, या स्टिल यू फील कि नहीं जो पीपल फोकस्ड हैं लीडर्स वो, या जो टैलेंट है वही इस इंडस्ट्री में सक्सीड होगा?
So ideally, if we have a good combination of both, it is good. But I think people may have different personalities and you cannot totally change it. So people who succeed in certain departments like sales and marketing or maybe service areas, they're very people oriented. But there could be certain areas like tech areas, it could be revenue management or some other areas where you need
Gee.
other datas. I think people can survive both ways. But if you have a good combination, I think technology should add up and not take away the human touch.
डन मैम. एंड ऐसे कौन से मिनिमम लेट्स से 5 स्किल्स हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू यू कि अगर इंडस्ट्री में सक्सेसफुल होना है तो ये तो होने ही चाहिए, इसके बिना तो काम ही नहीं चलेगा?
So I think first is, of course, the same thing which we can say is the knowledge. You have to have your foundation very strong. Your basic
Agreed.
knowledge
Yes.
has to be very clear. You need to work on it.
जी.
Skills is something which we look at because it's a skill-based area. The industry is totally skill-based. So you need to have some skill.
Ji.
It could be communication skills, or it could be knowing a foreign language, or it could be your selling skills. So either of the skills which we usually focus on. Attitude, like we always say. So when the hoteliers hire you, they say, "Ma'am, उसके पास और कुछ भी नहीं है तो चलेगा, उसका attitude अच्छा है तो हम उसको सब सिखा देंगे." So that is one important thing which they need to have.
Done, ma'am.
That all of the work needs to be taken care of. There's nothing like ये मेरा काम नहीं है, ये उसका काम है. That kind of attitude if you have, then it's very difficult because we see that even the managers, when it comes, they would serve people.
Done, ma'am. And I'll put you on a tough spot, right? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो इंडस्ट्री एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है कि बच्चा मेरे पास इंटर्नशिप करने आ रहा है या जॉब करने आ रहा है, इसको पता होनी चाहिए, लेकिन वो कॉलेजेस में पढ़ाई ही नहीं जा रही है?
कॉलेजेस में पढ़ाई नहीं जा रही है. I think it's the real life experiences only, I would say that. Because we can teach them certain things only in the classroom and that is quite limited. But I think when they face the truth, when they face the reality, that is something which they need to learn on the job and which can be taught in the classrooms. Classroom में नहीं पढ़ा पाएंगे हम वो.
थोड़ा सा लाइट करते हैं मैम क्वेश्चंस को. एंड whenever you let's say need advice, right? Who is your go-to person or your mentor?
So far, I have been many bosses who have been mentoring me. You know, they have encouraged me to take up higher education. So we started from diploma till PhD. It has been a long journey. Then we had families. We had to balance work life.
Of course.
So encouraging us and showing us the right path. There have been bosses, colleagues. But if I have to take a name, there is this Dr. Josna Patil, who has been a principal of LAD College. Especially when I did my PhD, because the hoteliers have no idea of research, right? They had to really hold our hand and teach us from the beginning till the end. And it's a long period for us for PhD. It was 5.5 years.
Wow.
So she was the one who encouraged me, who kept me on the track. There were moments where we thought we should just leave and this is not
of
my,
course. I mean,
my cup of
5.5
tea.
years is long time.
Yes. So I think I think I would like to mention her name. So she was the one who really took us ahead, and many of my colleagues were also with us under her as research students. So she was the one.
And if given, or if you've got a chance to have a dinner or probably lunch with any hospitality leader, whom would you have it and why?
Per se, I would like to visit one of the Michelin stars, which have not yet gone to any of the Michelin restaurants. Recently, Surya Datta had the opportunity to get an excellence award, a global excellence award. And that was offered by Vikas Khanna.
Chef Vikas.
Chef Vikas Khanna.
Ji.
So we had a conversation, and wherein he spoke about Bangalore, a restaurant which he has in New York.
Absolutely.
So I think that would be one experience which I would like to definitely have.
I think at least I take a lot of pride.
Vikas Khanna,
of course. Gem of a person.
Yes.
उनके बारे में, I mean, again.
And he's a very humble and a grounded person.
Yes.
He can connect with people very easily.
So I mean,
So that was one
if I ever
great-
got a chance to,
Yes.
get him on hospital, actually target to वही है,
Yes.
that I will do my level best that he
Yes.
find this platform worthy enough. I mean, he's such a big guy. To
No, but he's very humble and
of course, he is. मैंने उनके बहुत सारी बातें हैं, he's very close to Chef Ranveer Barar,
Yes,
and
yes.
then so on. बहुत सारे
कुणाल
पॉडकास्ट
कपूर।
आते रहते हैं. जी बिल्कुल, है ना. सो आई मीन एटलीस्ट मेरा मोटिवेशन तो वहीं से आता है. तो बट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट योर करियर का जो सबसे मोस्ट रिवॉर्डिंग मोमेंट था मैम. यू फेल्ट कि लाइक अरे जिंदगी सफल हो गई.
I think when your students succeed well in life, when they call you back and tell you, ma'am, this is what I've been put up. Recently, I had an incident where one of my students who passed out 2 years back called up and said, ma'am, I was working with so-and-so and they've hired me as a personal secretary, which is, I don't want to take the names. So he remembered me and he thanked me. I think that is a moment where you really feel that you're doing something which is really good and you're adding for the noble cause and creating these professionals in the hospitality. I think it's like your child, where if you see him growing, the kind of satisfaction which you get if he achieves something,
Amazing.
I think it is all quite similar to that. So
Agreed.
yeah, that is one moment which keeps you grounded, one moment where you stick around as a teacher.
Done.
हम इतने साल रहे, उसका main reason यही है सर.
I think major fuel यही है मैम.
Yes. The connect with your students, the delivery of lectures in the class, the kind of satisfaction which you get keeps you there. So people keep asking me कि आप इतने साल कैसे रहे एक field में.
Done, ma'am. Let's move to the rapid fire round.
Yes, sir.
I'll say few words or a question. Don't hold back. जो भी first word आए, just say it. Cool. All right. One word that describes today's hospitality student.
A smart worker.
A hospitality trend you do not believe in.
Technology cannot overtake the human touch.
One habit that contributed to your success.
I think discipline.
The biggest misconception in hospitality interviews.
That you get selected alone if you have good knowledge.
One skill more important than a degree.
Attitude.
One thing you would remove from the curriculum immediately.
Irrelevant content.
The most challenging aspect of being a principal.
I think getting administrative duties done from the staff.
A book you recommend for hospitality professionals and why?
The one which was very famous, which was Idli, Orchid and Vilpar by Mr. Vittal Kamath.
One quality that predicts long-term success.
Consistency.
One red flag in a candidate.
A disinterested student.
One word to describe the hospitality industry in 2030.
AI driven.
One piece of advice you would give your younger self.
That I would have come out of my comfort zone little earlier.
Done, ma'am. Final question. So via Hospitalk, what message you would give it to the hotel management student? What message you will give it to the industry leaders or senior leaders? And what message you would give it to the mid-management professionals?
So to the student, I would say that they need to be a little patient, more disciplined, need to be flexible, look at the new trends, not to be hesitant to relook at their decisions sometimes.
Ji.
You know, many a times we take certain decisions and which we feel we're not comfortable with. They should have that boldness to, you know, relook at the decision and take the new decision and be flexible there. And of course, discipline, consistency, hard work will take them a long, long way.
And to the mid-management levels?
To the mid-management or my colleagues, I would say, some of them, that they need to keep upgrading themselves.
Ji.
Right? Sometimes growth takes time, success takes time, but they have to be patient enough and wait for the right time to come.
Done. And to the senior leaders?
To the senior leaders, I think they need to be more empathetic. You know, they need to see to it that their team also grows along with them.
Of course, yes.
And I think looking at the viewpoint of being more human would definitely help.
Done, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I had a lot of fun, and I'm sure, you know, our viewers, they'll also get a lot of encouragement, at least, right? A truthful path which is required. So again, thank you. Thank you so very much, ma'am. It was lovely to have you on Hospitalk. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you to Hospitalk. Thank you, sir.